Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Forstner drill bits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the IRWIN Marples Forstner Bit Set. The IRWIN Marples Forstner Bit Set is designed for fine woodworking, cabinet making, and more. The bits feature optimized ultra-sharp cutting teeth that cut through hard and soft wood smoothly and efficiently, reducing cutting time compared to traditional Forstner bits. The set includes 14 pieces with reduced shanks that fit 3 /8 and larger drills and drill presses, including 1 1/2, 1 2/5 RF8, and 2 Forstner bits. They're perfect for easily drilling high-quality, flat-bottomed, and pocket holes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the IRWIN Marples Forstner Bit Set. The IRWIN Marples Forstner Bit Set is a must-have for wood drilling. With its optimized ultra-sharp cutting teeth, this set of 8 Forstner bits allows you to effortlessly drill high-quality, flat-bottomed, and pocket holes in both hard and soft woods. Compared to traditional Forstner bits, these bits significantly reduce cutting time, saving you valuable time and effort. The reduced shank fits 3 or 8 and larger drills and drill presses, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of tools. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the IRWIN Marples Forstner Bit Set is designed to make your woodworking projects easier and more efficient. At number 3, we have the KENDO 16-piece Forstner Bit Set. The KENDO Forstner Bit Set offers high-quality alloy steel construction, ensuring durability and shock resistance during use. The ultra-sharp cutting teeth significantly speed up your drilling process, allowing you to create precise, flat-bottomed, and pocket holes with ease. With a diverse range of sizes from 1.4 to 2.18, this set is versatile enough for various woodworking tasks, including hinge installations and model production. Plus, the included storage case keeps your bits organized and protected, making it convenient for you to access the right size when you need it. At number 2, we have the ZKH 14-piece Forstner Bit Set. The ZKH Forstner Bit Set offers exceptional performance for your woodworking projects. Made from durable alloy steel, these bits maintain sharp edges and ensure precise drilling, making your tasks easier and more efficient. The multi-tooth design enhances accuracy and produces smooth, clean holes without burrs, allowing for tidy results. With a rounded shank, you can enjoy reduced vibration and quicker cutting times, which ultimately boosts your productivity. This versatile set is perfect for working with various materials, including wood and plastic, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. And finally, at number 1, we have the GMTOOLS 8PCS Forstner Bit Set. The GMTOOLS Forstner Bit Set includes 8 high-quality bits made from carbon steel, designed for durability and shock resistance. This means you can enjoy efficient cutting while working on wood, plastic, and plywood, making your project smoother and faster. With a variety of sizes ranging from 1.4 to 1.38, you'll find the perfect bit for delicate perforations or larger holes. This set is compatible with various drills, whether you're using a handheld electric drill or a bench drill, giving you flexibility in your woodworking tasks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.